Hello, welcome guys to our channel. If you're new to our channel, then you can subscribe to our channel. Yeah, and you can learn about the various programming languages from our channel. So today in this video, we are going to learn what are the project structures of the Next.js application. So let's visit to our IDE. Okay, as you can see that the last video we have made a project that is called hello world app. In that hello world app there are the various folders and the files, where there are the 10 files and the 4 folders, okay. In that the package.json, includes the dependencies that are required by the Next.js app, where it includes the scripts and the dependencies and the dev dependencies all, and the project name which are being there for the Next.js. As you can see that the scripts are including the next dev and build, next start, length, next length, and dependencies like the React required a 10th version and React DOM required a 18 version, and Next.js version is 14.0.4. So we are running the Next.js app as on the version called 14.0.4. Okay, the package.json includes all the dependencies that are being required by the Next.js project. Okay, and ts.config.json includes the TypeScript file, and the tailwind.config includes the tailwind files which are required by the Next.js app. And the next.config.js required the Next.js config required by the Next.js application. Okay, and the files which are not used, that are git ignore and the readme. In the git ignore, the files that are being ignored while we are committing to our project to the GitHub, and it is used for the version controls. Okay, and the readme.md I use for the instructions regarding to the app. We can provide here for that. And package.log.json, same as it is the package.json, where the package.log.json and are logged, that allows us to install is respective of the multiple installations of the projects, so that the main dependencies of the project that are being logged the package log.json. So the new installations are installed in the package.json only once we build the project, and it is being included in the package log.json. Okay, and the next environment typescript includes the environment files. Okay, and islint rc.json includes the islint configurations. And in .next it includes the various folders and files which are being automatically created by when we run the command at the initial of the project, that are the npm run dev. After running the npm run dev command, the .next folder has been automatically created by default, and the node underscore modules is being also created by default. Once we hit the command npm run dev, it installs the entire dependency is as a folder, with you can see that the Asutosh Dialog, Babel is and entire dependencies that are being installed in the node underscore modules. If you run the project at install and hit the run build command, so that it is automatically created as like the .next folder. And the public folder includes the .svg and the various image and the css files that can be included in the public folder. It is a main folder, while the static files are being included with the assets folder. And the main folder is the src, that is a source directory in which the app directory is created. In the app directory is the app directory where we have made the changes in our previous video. In that it includes a favicon.icon that are being see that you can see on the browsers tab. It is an icon that you can see on your browsers tab as an icon on an global.css included as the css part of the entire project. We can include it as a globally. The css can be used in the entire pages. And the layout.tsx is a common layout TypeScript file where we can extend this layout.tsx and create a multiple pages with the help of the layout.tsx as a common file. And page.tsx is a main file where we change according to our customization. As in the last video we have typed the hello world, and this can be made as independently, and it is not commonly used by the other pages. Okay, and let's see how the working of the projects is being done. First of all, it is being hit by the layout.tsx, because when we hit the command run pm run dev, it comes to other layout.tsx. The layout.tsx extends the root layout, that is the rendering part of the page is being done. Once the npm run dev is hit, that it run the root layout, and the root layout hit, then it run the children part. The children part means the page.tsx, which we have made the configuration or the changes in the page.tsx. It runs this file that it render. Then what we are telling to root layout, that you render the page.tsx. The children refers to the page.tsx, then it will automatically render the page.tsx in the folder. Okay, and the routing part of the project we will look into the next video. Till now, if you have any doubt or confusion in the Next.js project structure, so let us know in the comment section of the video. Oh, and if you are having any doubt or confusion, then you can always be, I'm always ready. Okay, and if you are new to our channel, then you can subscribe to our channel so that you can support us to make the whole this Next.js tutorial in the upcoming videos. Thank you guys.